seen their children that are older. They've got a taste of legit life. They've been working. They've started making money. They've started doing illegal activity as well, a little bit, and got caught. Landed them back inside. Then they're like, fuck, bruv. I'm older now. I'm like, I'm 30 now.
Mm-hmm.
Like, I'm in jail. Like, I can't go back now. Then they do a few more years. Then they come out. Then it's like, yo, now I'm not looking to make up for lost time. I'm looking for the future now. Because now I'm like halfway there now. I'm 35 years old. Have I even got 35 years? Do you know what I'm saying? So family's getting older. Or my mum's getting older. My dad's getting older. My kids are getting older. You know what I'm saying? So I think, not with everyone, but I've seen it with people that want to change, that have got some sort of light in them or some sort of faith in something. I've seen them change, bro. I'm talking like from people that beat off shots broad daylight, rob people, kidnap people, burn people with irons and take their toenails off. I'm talking about guys like that.
Wow.
To where they are now, where they're working legit jobs and they're active members, good members of society. I think without prison coming in between, I think, no, God knows, innit, what could have happened, innit? So even though I'm a criminal and I hate the fucking police, it's like you have to have a balance in life. Chaos and like good and evil, law and chaos, it's like they have to be balanced, innit? Otherwise, bro, the whole world's fucked, fam. Do you know what I mean? No one wants innocent people getting murdered or getting, you know what I'm trying to say? Like, so I think in some way, I think it's balanced, man.
It's true. How did you get into drugs? Like, what was that first moment that started leading you into the underground?
So the first time I done drugs, I'd say, I think I was 14. I smoked weed.
Wow.
And until then, obviously, in my family, no one's done drugs. I never saw drugs at home. So obviously I think my granddad smoked. Maybe one of my uncles smoked. Other than that, none of my family, my dad didn't smoke. My mum doesn't smoke or do drugs. My dad might have had, actually he's British Asian, so he might have had the odd drink, whatever. But even he's not a druggie or alcoholic. You know what I'm saying? So I didn't really see that at home. So for me, it was at school, obviously around other people, older influences outside of school, where I kind of picked up on it. And it's like, slightly, it's not like you're peer pressured, but you are kind of, I don't know, man. You're compelled to like act up a certain way in front of people. Do you get me? Especially when you're young, innit? You feel like, I gotta be the first one to do this. I've got to, you know what I mean? I want to be the cool kid or whatever.
So you smoked a joint, and loads of people do that when they're young, and they want to
smoke is
try it.
Yeah.
And normally they're like, nah, I don't want to do it again, or I'm gonna look after you boys when you're high and stuff. But what happened?
Just carried on doing it, bro. I think I've done it. Then I think, you know what? My thing was I graduated to harder drugs very early.
Wow.
So when I was 15, I started selling heroin and crack for guys that were in a different area. So
how did you get associated with them guys?
So a couple of my friends from a different school. So I actually went to decent schools.
Yeah.
So the couple of my friends that might have gone to another school who live in a different area, whose brothers and cousins are doing it. So then you kind of get introduced to it. So my first introduction, I was 15. My brethren said, my cousin needs people. He's looking for people to work on a line in country. And them times I didn't know what it was. Like, I'm just hearing about it now. And that's basically when you travel from London, you go up north or down south to the countryside and just sell drugs to them and just come back up, basically. So I said, yeah, how much are you getting paid? He said, yeah, we'll get paid like maybe 5 bills every couple of days or something like that. £500 every 2 days or something.
Okay.
And I thought, yeah, that's all right, you know. I'm 15 years old, bro. Like, I'm selling a bit of weed. I was selling pills as well at that point, ecstasy tablets in school.
And there was nothing. There was no fear aspect, like
no fear. Like, you're getting away with it. No one's expecting you. Like, I was selling things to the security guard, teachers in school. Like, there's one or two
teachers in school.
Bro. Not all right. The security. All right, basically, one of my friends was a security guard at the school. Obviously, he became my friend. Like, became a very good friend of mine. Yeah, he was like my oldest client. But through him, I sold drugs to a lot of teachers at school. Yeah, prom night when I wasn't allowed in prom. I was kicked out of school. I wasn't even gone anyway. You get me? I wasn't even on that. But prom night, I sold drugs to him, cocaine, other stuff, and he then distributed it to teachers. So I know for a fact that teachers are on it. Maybe not while they're there.
The teachers are the worst.
Yeah, they're on
teachers
it, bro.
Are the worst.
Everyone's on it, bro. Like, literally, fam. I remember that night, I think he bought about 7-8 grams off me of sniff, yeah? He gave it to one of my head of years. That was literally my head of year that used to give me detention. He used to fucking lecture me, bro, yeah? Him, Man's fucking, I don't know, another teacher, I don't know, bare teachers, bro. Like, fucked, bro. Like, I'm thinking, yo. And that was when I was 16.
Wow.
So I'm 16 years old. It's like,
And
school's just finished.
So since 14 to 16, you're doing this. You haven't been caught.
Yeah. Ain't been caught. I've been getting away with it. Just about. Dodged police, dodged getting
What do you mean
robbed.
just about? Like, what was
Just
the close?
about, bro. I've had situations, for example, I had one situation where, this is when I was about 15. We was in Kent. And we're selling from this guy's house, him and his girlfriend, yeah. And there was another house down the road. And the guy there was picking up a lot of crack off us. And I'm talking, bro, the guy was spending like $5,000 a day, just him. Like buying, he used to literally come. I thought he was a Fed at first. I'm thinking, yo, this guy is a bit booky. Yeah, fuck it. Let's go and link him in it. Go and link him. A woman, he was at a yard of a woman who was, I think this woman had HIV or AIDS or something, yeah. She was like, looked like she was about to die. Like she was so skinny, old. Her son, funny enough, yeah, looked normal. She had a son who was like 3 years old, blonde hair, healthy baby, you know. Didn't look, you wouldn't even know that the mum was looking like that. Mum was literally about to die. So what happened was now, we used to go to this house for a few days, sell him loads of shit, like 2, 3, 4 grand's worth of stuff. The guy had loads of cash. He's an old man, like really old man. He looks like that guy out of Toy Story that paints the fucking toys. I don't know if you remember that, yeah? But there's a guy, the viewers might, yeah? There's an old man, like a proper old man, glasses, yeah, painting toys. The guy looks exactly like him, and he's just there smoking crack all day, buying everyone crack.
What is crack?
Crack is cocaine that's been washed, gone through like a process, and made into another substance, hardened, and then they can smoke it. That is 100 times worse than cocaine. That's what draws people to like heroin and shit like that. Because me, I've sniffed cocaine for years. Do you get me? But nothing would ever make me want to do heroin or try crack because I've seen the difference.
You never tried it?
I've tried it once. Yeah, I smoked crack once. Yeah, and it weren't for me. I was like, fuck that, this crackhead thing. You get me? That's when I was much older. I'd already sold it at this point, and I just done it just for like, let me see what the hype's all about. And when I done it, I thought, bro, this is what I'm getting mad over. Because what it is crack is more for the poor crackheads, yeah, who've got serious issues. They tend to get drawn into the crack. Cocaine is a more high class drug. Do you know what I'm saying? Like I've sold to fucking MPs. I've had MPs come to my establishments, bro. I had a flat in Victoria, what's it called? Buckingham Palace Road, yeah? Around the corner from Westminster and all that, yeah? I had a flat there for 2 years, bro. I had a Lebanese thing working there. She put so many dildos up MPs' bums, yeah? You will not believe, bro. You will not believe, bro. Oh, like, man. Literally, that's what they want. They used to come there just to get pegged, fam. Yeah, I swear down. She's got videos of them, bro.
Oh my God, that's worth a lot of money.
Right, Sun newspaper, shout me.
Shout me.
Yeah, shout me.
You got some 50-bag deals there.
We got you.
So talk to me about the first time you got arrested.
First time I got arrested was around about that time when I was 14. I got arrested with a knife, a butterfly knife.
Why
I've never stabbed anyone.
Why was you carrying it?
I just you know, it's cool, innit? I didn't have no ops. It's just cool, like, oh, knife. You know what I mean? I used to play Rambos when I was younger. You know what I mean? Not Rambos, Action Mans and shit.
Okay.
So, you know, that mindset where, yeah, it's cool, innit? Yeah, man used to have like long ones like that. I used to buy long knives. And like, you know, like walking sticks. They used to be like walking stick things where you pull it out and it's like a long, not like I said, I never used it at that point. Yeah. It was just, like, I used to be interested in it. You know what I'm saying?
So did you get arrested first or get stabbed first?
So I got arrested for a knife, then I got arrested for weed, just minor things, innit? You get released.
So what does it feel like when you're being arrested and you're like, shit, this is illegal. I know it's wrong. My mum and dad don't do nothing. They don't even smoke. I'm being arrested here.
Yeah, what's the thought process? First, obviously, it's a bit daunting at first, but once you go through the process, you're like, this is fucking lightweight, bro. I've been arrested, they let me out. Or they have been arrested and they give me a caution. So you kind of get away with it at first, innit? You don't get punished as much, innit? You kind of go there, your mum and dad comes to bail you out, and you go home, and then that's it.
And wasn't you getting like, you know, you're staying home, you tell me where you go?
I was getting
this.
I was a bad youth, innit? I'll sneak out, I'll do this, I'll do that. And at that age, bro, I wasn't even living at home. So age 15, when I wasn't at school, this is, you know, like 15, 16, you have GCSEs, you have study leave.
Yeah.
You're out of school anyway, yeah? So them times, I wasn't even at home. I used to go, like I said, country, pack my suitcase for 3 days, sell crack.
Where your parents are going, where are you going?
Ringing me, I'm just at my friend's house, I'm not coming home. Okay, don't come home then. All right, cool. Do you know, like, you know now, like, if you're young and If someone says to me, "Oh, you're not coming home tonight," they
Yeah.
want to run home.
Yeah,
Me, I was like, "Ah, cool.
yeah.
I'm making money." So it's about them times I used to make more